Ayang. Ayang mau ke siapa? Mau ke mama? Mamanya di mana? Mamanya di mana? Coba. 吃东西吗？吃啦。
What's wrong? I don't think she's outside, TJ. Teach. She's not there. Okay, let me see. I understand. I don't see her. Oh, calm down.
Shu, is that dress nice? Would you like to wear that dress? You've got really good taste, my love. A bit expensive, though. Baby. What happened, baby? Did you get stuck?
You have to ask.
It's not tuna. No. Not every can that gets opened is tuna. Stop yelling at me. It's not tuna. It's corn and beans. It's not tuna. It's corn and beans. Is that what you want?
Be nice. I hear you. I hear you. And that's not my problem. It's not about to be my problem either. No, don't talk over me. Not cool, Gerb. No.
What time is it? Oh, is it time for dinner? Yeah, dinner time. Dinner? Okay. Well, yeah, let's go.
Pick it up. In the bin. Pick it up. In the bin. Pick it up. In the bin.
All right, he's usually not this bad in the morning, but today is exceptional. Krieger, why are you so bad? I've never heard that noise come out of you.
What are we doing? Are we gonna kill him? Are we gonna mince them feathers up and throw him everywhere? We gonna get him? We gonna kill those birds? Yeah, let's get him. Go out there, get him. Kill him through the window. Get him. Yeah, get him.
Emma, Fuzz, you guys want some whipped cream?
She absolutely deserves some whipped cream.
Whipped cream? Say gracias. Gracias. Yes. I know. I'm 2 minutes late. I'm sorry. I'm the worst mom ever. I know. What, Sunday? No. I don't want to play with you right now. No, because I don't want to play with you. No, I said I don't want to play with you right now. Say good morning.
You're not okay? No. Did I hurt you?
We all have days like this.
I'm sorry.
What?
Get up here. Let's go. It's bedtime. It's bedtime. It is bedtime. It is bedtime. You're sassy. You're really sassy.
No. 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 Sure, I'll pet you. But no treats.
thing. Hi, sweet thing. Mama.
You can forget your wife at the mall, but never cat's caring time.
I got your pizza toy. What do you like on your pizza? Lettuce? Yeah. Yes? Okay.
Right at the beginning, Kitty has realized the fake pizza. He goes along just to make her fun.
No, because you smell enough like fish. Okay. Pepperoni? No. Cheese? Yes. Okay.
So not only humans can be overthinking while they're all alone.
Hello? 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 Are you okay? No. Okay.
Excuse me. How did you even get up there? Well, how do you expect me to get you down? I'm too short. What did you do?
Come here. Come here. You mad at me? Fifi. Let me see your face. Let me see your face. Come here.
Peanut, what's out there? What is it? Yeah?
Who's there?
Well, that's indeed not much an interesting way to say hi.
Are you hungry? How about some tuna?
Oh. Come here. Come here right now. Right now. Ripley.
Hey, Stinky. I'm about to get in bed. I'm coming. Okay. Can I take my shoes off? Is that fine with you? Huh? Making biscuits? Yeah?
I'm right here.
Hi, you see that? Are you having good dreams? Kaleo?
Turns out whether human or cat, being woken up while sleeping makes everyone grumpy.
You want me to leave you alone? Okay.
Shiloh! Hi. Yeah. I'll be right back, okay? Yeah. Call me if you need anything. Okay. Love you. I love you too.
Dun-dun. I have to shower. Can you please get out? Yes, thank you. Please. Show your way out. There you go. No, I have to shower. Yeah? Thank you. Okay.
Is it hard to be a cat?
Silent cats are often the ones that have most thought.
Tell me how hard it is. Oh, that sounds really hard. I'm so sorry.
Hey, you guys want food? Do you want food? You want food? Come on, let's go.
Bedtime. Yeah, it's bedtime. You have to go to your own bed. Because you're gonna keep me up all night. Yes, you are. You do it every time. Are you gonna go to sleep? Okay, I'll let you stay here.
Yeah, I'll let you stay if you promise to not keep me up all night.
Like clockwork. Seriously, what? Get over here.
It feels so like talking to a wall or something similar. Better not arguing with Cat.
Let it cool down. I know. Let it cool down. There goes the whole gang.